If your car is experiencing rough idling, stalling, or won't start, you need to perform a crankshaft position sensor relearn procedure. When you install a new crankshaft position sensor, your car's computer loses its timing reference and needs to re-establish the relationship between the sensor signal and the actual crankshaft position. Today, we're covering the 4 main methods for crankshaft position sensor relearning that work across different vehicle manufacturers. Let's get started. The first method is the battery disconnect reset. Turn off the engine and disconnect the negative battery cable for at least 15 minutes. Press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds to discharge the system. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and let it idle for 10 minutes while the computer relearns all sensor values. The second method is automatic relearn. Simply start the engine after installing the new sensor and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. The engine may run rough initially, as the system calibrates itself. The third method is the manual drive cycle. First, you want to warm up the engine, and then drive at steady speeds between 35 and 45 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. After that, switch to stop and go driving for another 10 minutes to really expose the engine to various RPM ranges. The fourth method uses a diagnostic scan tool. You'll need to connect the scan tool to your vehicle's diagnostic port and then navigate to the engine control module. Look for Crankshaft Relearn, CPS Relearn, or sensor initialization options under Special Functions. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the forced relearn procedure. If these methods don't work, make sure you've installed the correct sensor with proper air gap spacing. Also, check all wiring connections for any corrosion or damage, and, ensure your battery is fully charged throughout the process. Successfully completing a crankshaft position sensor relearn will restore your engine's smooth operation and get rid of rough idle, stalling, or no-start conditions. It's really important to take your time with whichever method you choose, because rushing through the steps can lead to an incomplete relearn process. Once it's properly reset, your engine will run with optimal performance and reliability. Here are some important tips to ensure success with your relearn procedure. First, always perform the relearn with the engine at normal operating temperature, as cold engines may not provide accurate sensor readings. Make sure your fuel tank is at least quarter full during drive cycle methods to prevent fuel delivery issues that could interfere with the process. Keep in mind that completing a successful relearn may take anywhere from 10 minutes to half an hour, depending on your vehicle and chosen method. So set aside enough time to do it properly without rushing. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to crankshaft position sensor reset. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching!